Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this vlog is all about what we've been up to this month, I guess. So she had exams, that's one. Two, first it's my birthday. My birthday came up, we did nothing special. Secondly, yeah, she bought me AirPods. Secondly, she had exams. Third, Dad's birthday was 4 days ago, so we're planning on buying him a cake and surprising him with it. Then she wants to change her nails. So look at, well, I'm not allowed to put on nails, but yeah, they're so cute. But she wants to change them anyway. Yeah, the floor is yours.
So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazine. You make me float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in me deeper, baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
Keeping up with the Kardashians. This is me. I just got back from wherever I was, and my dad's cake was delivered, so we're about to go and sing happy birthday. Mind you, I don't know if I stated this in the beginning, but my dad's birthday was like 4 or 5 days ago, and then I had exams then, so we decided that once we are all home, we could just sing him happy birthday. So this is us going to deliver his cake.
Yes, please don't put sound. Listen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Happy belated birthday.
And happy Father's Day.
And happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Wow.
Beautiful. This is the delivery you're talking about. Guys, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Hey you guys, so when I came here, right, I had nothing specific. I don't know where the earring on this side has gone. I had nothing specific to talk about, but I wanted to do a sit down and kind of interact with you guys and tell you what I've been up to, right? I don't know if I stated in my previous vlog that I changed my room. So after changing my room, I cannot shoot there because I don't like the room, which is a fact. I don't like it, but it's also not very bright, right? It's not very bright, so I'm not able to shoot content. Also, when I was opening school, right, that's in January, what I did is I decided to leave everything home, like my artificial lightings, because I knew I had a great room, so I didn't really need to have my tripod stand, my ring lights, the other lights. I didn't need to have all that, so I left them home, right? And then when I changed my room, I could no longer shoot because it's dark in that room, so there's nothing that I can do about the darkness in that room. Yeah. And then what else do I want to talk about? Oh yeah, so I had stressful exams, you guys. No, let me tell you one thing about these exams, right? I feel like they just came too soon. Other than coming too soon, these exams look very fair, and I only had one. Okay, if you know me, you know I am a theory babe. I like to read, I like to write. So these exams, most of them were kind of bulky but theory based. So because they're theory, I could easily pick it up, and yeah. And then I only had one course that scared me, which had both theory and math in it. Yeah. So we are in 4th year now. I haven't yet gotten my results, but I believe I'm in 4th year. I haven't gotten my results yet, right? But I know I'm in 4th year now. So the thing is this. My biggest fear about being in my final year is what I'm going to do after my final year. Like, now that I'm in my final year, I sit down and I ask myself, like, look, Rosie, once you get your degree, what do you do? So if you know me, you know I'm book smart. I'm not street smart, right? I'm kind of introverted when it comes to the street. So my biggest worry is the degree that I'm getting needs you to kind of be street smart and also book smart. So my biggest worry is how I'm going to succeed in between, how I'm going to compromise between the two, right? And I think other than being happy that I'm in my 4th year, that's my biggest worry. Like, what exactly am I going to do after my degree, right? Like, where do I see myself? And I feel like this talk is kind of, I don't want to say depressing, but it's kind of worrying, because you're at a state where you're like, after my paper, what do I do? What do I do? And the other issue is, most of the people I've talked to that have similar degrees or that have degrees, right, that are done with school and they're out there, they talk about how my degree is not the reason I'm here today. Like, the degree just opens the door for you or gets you a seat at the table, and then what you do at the table determines how long you're going to stay at that table. So basically, the degree will open doors, but not wide open for you to completely enter. You're going to find people with the same qualification as you, and what makes you stand out, one. And the second thing is, most of the people I've talked to talk about how, oh no, I put my degree aside and I started doing something else. I put my degree aside and started doing, that worries me a lot. That worries me a lot, because I don't know if I put my degree aside or if I put my books aside, I don't know what is here that we are going to use to strive in the world, right? Yeah. And then I thank God for my parents, right? Because I have parents that I can sit down and talk to about such things, right? So I had a conversation with my dad, and I was telling my dad, I'm like, look, when I sit down, right, like, I look at myself and I'm like, when I'm done in school, what am I going to do? And I have not pictured that. And I think that's a problem, because as an individual, I really do plan for my future. And just this particular aspect, I have so much fear that I block the plans. I'm just like, whatever is coming, let it come. And now that I'm in my final year, I'm just like, what's going to happen. Like, what do you plan to do? Because now you're in your final year, so even if you're not planning, you're going to be done in school, and then after school, what's going to happen? Right? And that's my worry. Other than that, I'm so happy at my final year because I can't wait to see. I'm an exhausted babe. I can't wait to go. I can't wait. I honestly cannot wait. Yeah. Other than that, what do I have planned for this holiday? So I closed school for about 2 weeks, right? And I'll be opening school in 2 weeks time. So I decided to go home because I did not sign up for struggle. I am a princess in my father's house, and I need to go back to my father's house once my exams are done. So immediately my exams were done, I packed my stuff and I went to my dad's house. I didn't even want to hang out for longer. No, I told myself, let's go home, because home is where the peace is. Yeah, so I'm home now, right? So what I plan on doing while I'm home, I want to try lashes. I've never tried lashes before, so I want to try lashes for the first time, but I'm so terrified about it, and I don't know if this decision is going to be fulfilled. The second thing is, they don't look bad on camera, right? And they're not bad even now, but I do want to change them because I put them on, I think 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I put them on 3 weeks ago, so I want to change them. Then my hair as well, right? I did my hair, I think a week before I started. No, not a week, a day before I started my exams. Yes, I wasn't stressed, so I decided to do my hair. I did my hair like a day before my exams. So now the problem is, I have a very delicate scalp, so I don't want to plait my hair now and then have to go to school and plait my hair when going to school, because I'm on closing for 2 weeks. So what I want to do is keep my hair, and do it. I cannot keep my natural hair. That's the only problem. I can't keep my natural hair. Like, I don't know what to do with it. I feel like I'm not a baddie when I have it on, and I'm just like, can't wait to change it. Yeah, so that can't work, right? So I don't know what the plan is going to be, but I intend on doing my hair only a week before I open school, just so I can go to school with new hair. Other than that, I think I'm just going to be relaxing. Yeah, I'm just going to be home, seated, and being a princess and doing literally nothing, right? Yeah. Other than that, yeah, I guess that's it. So I decided to sit down and have a conversation with you guys about this. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in the next clip.
Just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Let's close. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in the I want you to ride.
So I'm basically just here to end my vlog, right? I figured I didn't end it, and I'm even back in school now. So I was editing the video and I figured I didn't properly end the last vlog. I think the last clip was on after doing my nose or something. I went to the salon, right? I did my hair. I don't fancy it very much. We might take it down earlier than anticipated, but there were too many people in the salon on the day I was doing my hair, so I didn't get to shoot while I was doing my hair. Yeah, other than that, I'm just here to say bye, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to share.